to me, one of the most critical life skills any person can learn, like education, like eating even, we need to learn to swim. There's so much drowning wherever there's a body of water, even still water, swimming pools, rivers, and the ocean in the Western Cape, in Africa, that we need to teach people that do not know how to swim, the life skills.
Dit was die gesig wat besoekers donderdag 4 April by die Seepunt swembad gegroet het, soos wat 115 jonges van benadeelde gemeenskappe leer swem het. Die massa swemles was gereël deur die Amy Beale Stichting as deel van hulle vrede en welvaart piknik, terwyl die praktiese aspekte van die dag behartig was deur die Splash Swemskool van Wynberg.
Because water can be a lot of fun, but it can also be very dangerous.
It was very nice. Now I think I'm going to be able to swim now because I've learned many skills of how to swim and many different kinds of swim.